Good day, everyone. My name is Quincy Jean R. Velasco, and today we're going to discuss the three-way table of specification. But let us first define what is table of specification. So, a table of specification is a test blueprint. It is a tool used to ensure that a test or assessment measures the content and thinking skill that the test intends to measure. It is a guide for writing items. So, in preparing a table of specification, let us consider the following. The content outline, which lists the topic and the important objective under the topic. The categories serves as a reminder or a check on the cognitive complexity of the test. This refers to the level and cognitive processes that are emphasized in the test. Number of items. This serves as a check as the number of items for each objective, content, or content topic listed. It does also reflect a balanced picture of what was taught or whether all topics and objectives will be tested. So, in creating a table of specification, let's choose the measurement, goals, and domain to be covered, breaking the domain into key or fairly independent parts, concept, term, procedure, application, and constructing the table. So, I have here a three-way table of specification. The objectives, time spent, number of items, percentage of items, the revised Bloom taxonomy level of cognitive behavior, which are remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creative. So, let us first discuss the objective number one, the distinguished type of noun. Number 2, construct the paragraph using different types of noun. Number 3, students will be able to state a definition of noun. Number 4, students will be able to recognize them from the other parts of speech. Number 4th is identify common and proper noun in the sentences. And 5th is students will be able to differentiate the proper noun from common noun, which can be seen in sentences. So, in order to evaluate the number of items, there is a formula. The total number of items divided by the total number of days times the number of days to be thought. So, for example, the total number of items is 60 divided by the total number of time spent, which is 15. 60 divided by 15 times the total number of days or hours on the objective 1 or the time spent is 2. So, 60 divided by 15 times 2, and the answer is 8. So, muna siya ang total number of items. So on and so forth. So, ato ta sa revised Bloom taxonomy. So, in each objective, nakabut dito na ay level of cognitive behavior nga dapat pa-fit in sa isa ka objective. So, in objective number 1, distinguish the type of nouns, naa siya sa understanding. So, number 1 to 8. So, 8 items. Number 2, naa siya sa remembering, which is number 8 to 16. Ang number 3, ang number 4, kay naa siya sa emphasizing, which is 17 to 24. Number items, 17 to 24. Ang objective number 3, kay naa siya sa applying, which is 25 to 40. And the objective number 5 is na siya sa creative, which is 41 to 52. And lastly, ang objective number 2 is na siya sa analyzing, which is number 53 to 60. So, each level of cognitive behavior kay naay 1 point per item. So, mauna siya how to create the three-way table of specifications. We have to consider the following in the level of cognitive behavior. Tapos, remembering the number of the formula, which is the total number of days times total number of item divided by the total number of days times the number of days to be thought. So, that's it for today. I hope na amoy na learn on somehow. If I ever made a mistake na wala na ako na clearly discussed, sorry, I wasn't able to verify it. So, maura to, and that's it for today. Thank you for listening.